Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing essentials. Sign into Bandlab and start a new project immediately. Connect and select your microphone in Settings, choose 44. 1K HZ for consistent quality, and enable input monitoring so you can hear yourself. Once done, add a track and pick voice or an empty track to record. Make a quick level check. Aim for peaks around -6 dB to avoid clipping. If levels look low, raise gain on the mic or input channel. Don't add effects yet. Now record your performance in focus passes. Arm the vocal track and use punch-in to capture problem sections without redoing everything. Record multiple takes and build a comp by trimming and stacking best phrases on separate lanes. Use short crossfades to remove clicks and keep natural breaths. For clarity, apply a high pass around 100 Hz, a gentle presence boost between 2-4K Hz, and light compression to control dynamics. Make sure to solo the voice occasionally to hear detail. Finish by mixing and preparing your final file. Balance levels, pan any background layers, and add reverb or delay on ascend for cohesive ambience. Keep effects subtle so the narration stays clear, and check the mix at multiple volumes. When satisfied, export as WAV44. 1K HZ 16-bit for highest quality, or MP3 192-320 kbps for delivery. If you encounter clipping or background noise, reduce input gain, apply denoise plugins, or re-record the problematic section to ensure a clean voiceover.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.